Jessica grabs me from behind, and what I'm trying to do is get this foot behind her, and as soon as that happens, I have quite an easy takedown. Okay, so let's have a look at the specifics. If I'm straight on, come behind me, Jess. So she's grabbed me from behind, and just to be clear, forearms are digging into my floating ribs, and as she squeezes, and oh God, the moment both feet come off the ground, it's over. Yeah, I can't do the technique that follows. So what I have to do is when the hands come through, is drop my hips slightly to the outside and then step through. You can grab onto your opponent if they're in the way, or if you need the extra balance, it's kind of handy. Fiore doesn't show that, that's just me. And then you simply turn